Imagine going from 0 to fully charged in just 49 minutes. No, we're not talking about your phone. We're talking about the future of portable backup power. Meet the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2. Today, we're unboxing it step by step and testing if it's truly the fastest, smartest, and most reliable power station for your modern lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing inside the box, you'll find Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 unit. Compact, robust, and designed with a textured matte black finish. It's 14% smaller and 11% lighter than other 1 kWh stations. An ultra-fast AC charging cable that takes you from 0 to 100% in just 49 minutes. A car charging cable for power on the go. A solar charging cable that supports up to 600-watt solar input. A quick start guide, warranty card, and safety manual. Looking around the device, the front panel includes 5 AC outlets, 3 USB-C ports, with 1 super-fast 140-watt port, 1 USB-A, and a car socket. The top features a comfortable handle, the sides have cooling vents that stay nearly silent, and the back offers inputs for AC, solar, and car charging. Key features: 1. Ultra-fast recharging, 49 minutes. C1000 Generation 2 fully charges in just 49 minutes via wall outlet. Faster than any other power station. The Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 has just been awarded the title of Fastest Recharging Portable Power Station, 1 kWh. Perfect for emergencies, busy lifestyles, and last-minute prep. With app control, pair it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can enable ultra-fast recharge mode, and you're good to go. 2. Powerful 2,000-watt output, 3,000-watt peak. With a 1,024-watt-hour battery and 10 output ports, this powerhouse runs everything from fridges and routers to CPAP machines, blenders, and laptops. Whether it's for home offices, health devices, or daily appliances, it keeps life running smoothly. 3. Compact and portable. At 14% smaller and 11% lighter than similar models, C1000 Generation 2 is easy to carry, store, and pack into small spaces, like trunks or under desks. 4. Long-lasting battery, 10 years. Built with durable LFP batteries, it's designed to last a full decade. Safe, smart, and efficient with temperature control, it saves you from frequent replacements. 5. Seamless 10-millisecond UPS. During a power outage, it instantly switches to backup mode in just 10 milliseconds. That means your fridge, router, or medical devices stay on without interruption. Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2 isn't just about backup power, it's about peace of mind. When the lights go out, having reliable power is a game changer. And when you're traveling, camping, or just need power on demand, it's the compact solution that keeps everything charged. Take charge of your power needs with the Anker SOLIX C1000 Generation 2. Check the link in the description to learn more. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.